Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 5 quick and easy weeknight dinners. These are all so good. My family loves them. And like I said, they are quick and easy. I know a lot of you are looking for easy recipes, and that's what my channel is about. So if you're new, make sure you click subscribe. I love sharing my recipes with you, and I love all the support that you all give me each and every week. I post multiple videos a week, so make sure you subscribe and check them all out. Let me get going with these 5 quick and easy weeknight dinners you are going to love. Well, this is one of the best dinners ever. I have this Boursin cheese and it is delicious and a ton of recipes, but I'm going to be using it with some protein noodles, and I'm just going to add these noodles uncooked into my casserole dish. So this is a really great dump and go casserole. I have some grape tomatoes. I'm just going to put this whole container of the grape tomatoes in here. I have some rotisserie chicken. It doesn't get any easier than this. You know how much I love easy recipes if you've been around my channel. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of chicken broth on top of this so that the noodles are covered. I'm going to cover this with some foil, and I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake this for about 40 to 50 minutes. Now that it is done, it is ready to go. I am going to mix up this Boursin cheese. The noodles are cooked perfectly. This is so easy, a really, really great dump and go. And anything with Boursin cheese is a huge, huge hit in our house. Serve with some asparagus or a side veggie and you are all set. I'm going to do a chicken crock-pot dinner. We love chicken and I love using the crock-pot. This is going to be a street corn chicken. I have a can of corn. I have a can of diced green chilies. I have 2 chicken breasts that I cut up into some small pieces. You can do 2 to 3 chicken breasts. I have some garlic powder, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, about a teaspoon of onion powder as well. This is a really awesome dump and go recipe and it is just perfect at the end of the day. I'm going to cook this on low for about 7 hours, or you can do it on high for about 3 hours. And here it is ready to go. The chicken is cooked great. It's got a ton of flavor with this corn and the diced green chilies. I'm going to serve this with a side of rice and a side salad and we are all set. I'm going to make some Smashburgers. We love Smashburgers. It is the most requested meal by my kids. Both of my boys absolutely love these. So I have 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm going to add some seasonings. I have Lowry seasoning salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now I'm going to do the same for the other side. And then I'm just going to give this a little mix just with my hands and mix this up, break up all this ground beef. And then I'm going to roll these into some balls. And this is 2 pounds, so I try and do about 8 burgers out of this. So I try and make them all the same as much as I can, but it's not a huge deal. You could just kind of eyeball it. So I'm making these into some nice balls. And then I'm going to have my husband cook these on our Blackstone. And these cook so quick. So you just put the little ball on, a little piece of parchment paper, and then the burger press. And they are just a really, really awesome, easy burger. So just throw these on, smash them down, and then we'll flip them over and they are all set. So they only take a few minutes per side. So a super quick and easy dinner, which we absolutely love. And my kids just devour these and they request them all the time. So we're going to put a cheese on a few. We're going to toast a couple of the buns up also. And then these will be ready to go. So I'm just going to serve this with a simple edamame on the side. Really, really quick and easy. Little ketchup, whatever your favorite toppings are. An awesome, quick and easy dinner. So I'm going to do some protein pasta. This is our favorite. I've been using this a ton lately, this Barilla protein pasta. So I cooked up 2 cups. And now I have 2 shredded chicken breasts. So I cooked this in my crock pot and shredded it up with my chicken shredder. And I like to do this about once or maybe even twice a week sometimes to always have shredded chicken on hand. You can use rotisserie chicken for this one if you would like. I have some steamed broccoli. I just love this steamed broccoli in the bag. I have a jar of alfredo sauce. So I'm just gonna pour this right on top. This is such a good, easy chicken alfredo, and it's just a huge hit. We've just been doing a ton, like I said, of this Barilla pasta lately. It's so easy. I love that it has added protein, so we've just been using it a lot. Topping this with some mozzarella cheese and now some grated Parmesan cheese as well. Gonna bake this in the oven for about 30 minutes. Look how good that is. Oh my gosh, it has the best flavor. We love Alfredo. And this is just, it's super easy. Just throw all this into the casserole dish, bake it in the oven. I love to assemble casseroles earlier in the day, and then you can just cook them at night when you're ready for dinner. This is amazing. So I'm going to be doing a chicken bacon ranch pasta. I have 2 chicken breasts. I have some cream cheese. I'm just going to kind of cut it into some pieces and put it in. I have these bacon crumbles, which I love. I use these in a lot of different recipes. Super easy. You can cook your own bacon if you want, but I am using a cup of the bacon pieces. I have some ranch seasoning mix. I like this big container, but you can use a packet of ranch seasoning mix if you would like. And I'm going to add in a cup of milk. It's going to make this nice and creamy, and it's going to be a really awesome sauce to add to this pasta. So I'm going to cook this on low for 7 hours, or you can cook it on high for 3 hours if you'd like. And I am now going to take out this chicken, and I'm going to shred it with my chicken shredder, and I'm going to put it back into this really, really yummy sauce. Any sauce with cream cheese and bacon is so good. It's rich and it's so creamy and just absolutely delicious. So I'm going to shred this chicken up with my chicken shredder. I use this shredder a lot because we do a lot of chicken. Chicken is our favorite protein. It's so easy to mix up tons of different flavors with chicken. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, and I do a lot of easy chicken recipes because you got to mix those flavors up if you're going to be having chicken a lot of nights a week, and which we do. So I have lots of chicken recipes to share with you, so make sure you subscribe and check out some other videos. I have my protein pasta. Like I said, we have been using this a ton lately. My kids love it. I love it. So I cooked up 2 cups of the protein pasta. I'm going to mix this around with the shredded chicken, and it is so awesome. Super, super easy and just really yummy, full of flavor. The bacon is so awesome in this one also. So you can serve this with a side of veggies if you want. I'm going to do a side salad for this one, but use your favorite veggie or side salad, and this is all set. So really, really easy weeknight dinner that the whole family loves. We have some really busy weeknights. My kids are super active in sports and school activities, so I am always sharing with you our easy recipes that we use. So if you are like us and need some quick and easy meals to the table, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love sharing my easy recipes with you. I share multiple videos a week, so check them out when you have time. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.